Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Google Play Games and signing into your Google account. This links progress and achievements. Once done, use the search bar at the top and type Minesweeper to find the official or top-rated version quickly. Tap the game tile to view details because you want the version with good reviews and recent updates. Make sure to check storage and permissions listed. Granting them ensures the game installs and runs without unexpected prompts during play. After tapping Install, wait for the download to finish and the app to set up. Installation errors are rare, but restart Play Games if it stalls. Once you open Minesweeper, go into the in-game settings to pick difficulty, easy, medium, or hard, because that controls grid size and mine count, directly changing strategy. Adjust sound and control options. Enabling cloud save keeps your progress across devices. Finally, allow notifications if you want score alerts, but turn them off if you prefer focus sessions. You begin a round by tapping tiles to reveal numbers or blanks and long pressing flags suspected mines. Practice this rhythm until it's automatic. Use the numbers as clues. They tell you how many mines touch a tile, so once a number's adjacent flags equal it, clear remaining neighbors confidently. If the app crashes or fails to load levels, force close Play Games, clear the game cache, and if needed, reinstall. Make sure storage and network permissions are granted so cloud saves and updates work properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.